I've never been too keen on fishing saltwater. I've spent most of my life fishing freshwater ponds and rivers scattered throughout the Midwest. But when I first heard what the giant trevally was all about, I just had to explore it even further. This trip marks my third international attempt at catching a GT of a lifetime, and I couldn't ask for a better crew to do it with. Our sole mission and purpose during this 2-week expedition is to seek out the giant trevally, which dominates the distant islands of Flores, Indonesia.
It's a Geet! Woo, baby! Cast in front, right there. GT, right there, GT. There he is! Woo, baby! Come on, get in here!
Nice job, dude. Nice job. There's no way to describe a fish like that. Nice, where are we going?
Komodo.
On the move. Hello. This way? Thank you. Trip starts here. This is where the journey all begins. In T-minus 12 hours, we'll be ripping some GT lips, smoking poppers, be making some more memories. I'm beyond pumped. This is it? This is it. Oh. Next stop, Komodo. Just got ourselves a cab. Now we are going to head to, honestly I have no idea where we're heading to, but I do know we're leaving the airport. In less than 24 hours, myself, Peric, and Sam, and the other Sam will be out in the water, hopefully chucking and ripping giant spooks, giant poppers for one of the deadliest, nastiest fish there is that dwells in the Indian Ocean. I'm just so ready to get after it. No, I'm just gonna toss her. Hey, I think we're riding together.
Oh,
Uber for Alex?
Yeah, that's me.
What's up, bud?
What's up? Are you excited? Dude, I'm so happy to be back.
Huh?
The difference between here and Bali is absolutely unreal.
This is where magic happens. This is where GTs get caught. This is where I get sunburned. And this is where memories are made. Oh, look at that. Oh,
I forgot how crazy
this place is 1,000 times prettier than Bali.
Should we get out?
Is this us? Yeah. Okay, and this is just the side of the road.
Is this us?
Yeah. This seems right. To think not too long ago, I was dodging flights in Greenland and just freezing my butt off in Sweden. I mean, we are worlds apart here, literally. It's gonna be sick. You stoked, Bubba? Not only is the fishing gonna be cool, but this is just such a beautiful place. Like, there's so many opportunities to bring you guys along with when we're just going out at night, chilling in the morning, you know, like hanging out on the beach, diving, snorkeling, fishing, hiking, petting Komodo dragons. Well, you can't really pet the Komodo dragons, but you can watch them and say hello to them. It's a wild place, and I'm so glad we're back here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Dope.
This place is so dope. This is like something out of a Z Gallery ad or something like that. We do have AC. What the f***
What is it?
that, dude?
Where? On the window or what?
Look at this.
Oh my god.
That is the world's biggest bee I've ever seen. That's a big
bee.
Big bee. Everything was going way too smoothly. I want to get a shot of it, but I also don't want to get stung in the face and then go to the fucking hospital.
That thing is huge.
That's big old bee.
Yo, come here.
Look at that big old bee.
Come here, Parrot.
Oh my god. Do you kill bees?
Big bug.
Big bug. Bah! Smack it.
Bee.
Yeah.
Behind the curtain.
Ah.
Whoa. Will he sting?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nope, it's not okay. He's definitely not okay, guys.
Did you get him? Is it okay?
He's gone.
Good? Hey,
Thank you.
thank you so much.
Mazel?
Ansel.
Ansel, John. Ansel, thank you.
Sam.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Ansel is the bee terminator. We'll chase after giant trevally. We'll catch sharks, but we're too afraid to kill a bee. Yeah, makes sense. Sam.
You getting a look at this view real quick? Bud.
Unreal.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, just look at this. Today is Sunday, March 18th. Current time is 3:44 p.m. We've just arrived here in Komodo. What a trip and journey this has been. Over 22 hours in the air. We stayed a whole night in Bali. Turns out it was silent day in Bali, so we couldn't even leave our hotel, let alone like even speak very loudly. It's just been a very weird but a fun ride so far. But this is kind of where, in my opinion, this video series starts. Like this is where everything is going down. Dice, do you know what the plan is? Fishing tomorrow, correct?
Tomorrow.
Fishing tomorrow?
Day after that.
Fishing the day after.
After that.
3 days of Geet fishing. The cool thing about this trip is it's a continuum to the last time we were here in Bali in Komodo. I'm sure you guys remember that series where we saw the Komodo dragons.
Yo, what's up, dudes? We're out here, Komodo.
Where'd you get a bintang? Cheers, guys. You know, Sam, Peric, and I were here literally about a year ago, but this is where the journey ended, and here we are starting the journey from where we left off. The dragons were cool, the water was pristine, and we knew the potential of what could happen if we throw a popper out in these waters, but we just never got the chance to. So this is why we've returned, this is why we've come back. This is how you open a bintang.
This is how you open a bintang.
You got this.
Buddy.
Hey,
There we go. That's how we do it in Bali.
We're here, we've made it. Oh my goodness, that's because of the scissors? This reminds me so much of the shark mission when Chris and I were spooling up. Took us like over an hour just to get the freaking reel spooled up. But that was a little different. That was like 1,000 meters line, whereas this is probably right around 200 or less. I could be wrong. It's real, it's happening. It actually is starting to sink in now. It's kind of a bummer we're not fishing today, but it's good. We can kind of get adjusted and just prepare ourselves for what is about to come. Listen to some dope beats, throw back a few bintangs responsibly, keep that in mind. Just see what Komodo is all about, see how it's changed, and see what is still the same since the last time we came here. Peric, which one are you feeling lucky with? Nipple guy? That one right there? What's the name of this one?
Money. That's Komodo.
No, I mean, like, what are you gonna name it?
This is Gary.
Gary? I think this one's honestly a freaking money ticket right here.
You know what
Did you order that too?
I like the spooks.
You guys have way more than I do. Dude, I did not see this one last time. What the hell
Yeah,
is that?
that's sick. That's that same Thumbus, isn't it?
Alrighty, well, we're just gonna leave this mess right here. Looks like a GT lure garage sale going on in our hotel room. We just finished rigging up a lot of these poppers. Most of these baits, these stick baits, these poppers for GTs don't come with hooks, so we had to buy the hooks separately. Didn't buy as many split rings as we thought we did, so it's been kind of a little bit of a madness, but it's going good. You know, we've got a lot of baits that are prepped up and ready for action tomorrow. As if this place couldn't get any cooler, we got Buddy back there knocking down some fresh papayas for, is that for tomorrow? Tonight. There we go. And there's Spanky.
What's up, boys?
Yeah, I don't know.
Sushi?
Sushi.
Yeah.
Now it's time to eat. We gotta feast. We gotta get all energized for tomorrow. We gotta get some food, right, in our system. Okay, sushi. Yep, we heard you, Perry. Thank you. Is there a spot right here?
Corner, yeah.
Your corner guy?
Okay, reset.
That's what we're doing.
What exactly?
Right there. Guys, what are you thinking?
I think I'm gonna get the tuna steak or gnocchi. I love gnocchi. I think you gotta get tuna steak. Which one though? Chef favorite?
Slow down. You're on 1,000,000 miles a minute.
No. Which one did you get though? Would you stop it?
I think we are gonna go with the sesame tuna steak and then turn the page. We're gonna wash that down with maybe either Hawaiian Healer or protein and then add chocolate to that. I mean, do you agree or disagree?
Yeah, that was just really nice that you let them.
I just wanna...
Do I talk loud? Yes. You wanna fight?
Who's gonna ring whose neck first? That's what I wanna know. Who's gonna get a GT popper to the face tomorrow? You were talking about gnocchi earlier.
I do love gnocchi. You got it. I think I gotta get the seared tuna. Seared tuna good? Yes. We start with the this roll right here.
Brutal.
Semarol.
Yeah, SUKSEMA.
Thank you so much.
Watch this, guys.
Delicious.
Look at this.
No way. Shut up. You're not. Stop it. Spring break 2018.
You won't.
Whole thing. Do it. I want to see it gone. Shut.
You know we're in a rush.
No, because
you know we're in a rush.
Then he goes, what did you get? What did you get? What did you get?
Yeah,
He does it every time.
curious, isn't it? Like,
and then he'll just be like, you know what? I just looked at the menu that whole time, but whatever you got, I'll get.
so did you pause? Did you pause for a few seconds? You should have your answer right here, right now. Can you?
You're gonna push him to the edge.
Final Jeopardy.
Here we go. Bamboo straws. They don't spare any expense. I know.
Definitely get that mint in there.
Do you taste the mint? What do you? Interesting. I don't like that. Interesting. Not good. Not great.
No, it's good.
Intriguing.
Yeah.
Was his better? Or which one did you find was better?
I don't know. I can't decide.
No, I'll get back in like 10 minutes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. That looks good. Really, really good. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care. See you. Things just got really, really real. All of a sudden, we're here. About to embark on a pretty badass adventure into the Indian Ocean, going after a fish that, yeah, I don't know how to describe it. I've only caught 3 of these fish in my life, and they haven't even been that big. And I can say it's taken every ounce of my strength just to get them in. But I feel ready. I feel like I've never been so prepared before for giant trevally. It's go time. It is go time here at Komodo. Thank you for watching. I appreciate the view. Be sure to check out some of the GT merch. I love giant trevally so much. I created a little GT pocket tee, and I've got a hat. Here, I'll show you the hat real quick. Pretty sick little giant trevally hat. Love it. I think you guys will like it. Again, that's in the link in the description below, along with the podcast that I filmed on this trip on Silent Day. I'm signing out. I'm getting some rest. I need to get all energized for a morning full of popping. Wow, I'm going to be really freaking sore. As always, folks, keep fishing. Never stop.